Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products. Today, we're diving into the ultimate solution for outdoor pool toy storage, the POOLFORTE Storage Organizer by POOLFORTE. If you're tired of poolside clutter, this could be the game changer you've been looking for. Let's get into it. Imagine this. A hot summer day. Your pool is sparkling, but the poolside is a mess of floats, noodles, towels, and toys. Enter the POOLFORTE Storage Organizer. This isn't just any storage bin. It's designed to streamline your pool area, keeping everything tidy and easily accessible. Today, we'll explore its features, benefits, and whether it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk durability. This organizer boasts a heavy-duty metal frame with rust-resistant coating, making it sturdy enough to withstand outdoor conditions year-round. The black woven mesh is UV-resistant, ensuring it won't fade or degrade under the sun. What about mobility? It's equipped with 10 wheels, making it incredibly easy to roll to and from the pool as needed. Plus, 5 of those wheels lock, keeping your storage stable right where you want it. Size matters, especially when it comes to storage. This XXL organizer measures nearly 49 inches wide by over 30 inches deep and 33 inches high, providing ample space for all your pool essentials from floats and noodles to towels and goggles. Worried about assembly? Don't be. POOLFORTE has improved their instructions, ensuring a quick and hassle-free setup, so you spend less time assembling and more time enjoying your pool. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. What are users saying? While it's received mixed reviews on durability and assembly ease, many appreciate its spacious design and how it simplifies poolside cleanup. Compared to other pool storage solutions, this one stands out for its size, mobility, and sturdy construction. It's designed not just to store but to withstand the elements and frequent use. Some text goes here. So, is the POOLFORTE Storage Organizer worth it? If you're looking for a robust, spacious, and easy-to-move storage solution for your pool toys, it certainly has a lot to offer. While it may not be perfect for everyone, its functionality and thoughtful design make it a strong contender. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more detailed reviews like this one. Also, let us know in the comments if you've tried a similar product or if you have any questions about the POOLFORTE Storage Organizer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time on Product Critique.